Xtract3D allows you to work with assemblies as well as parts. So this particular assembly consists of 5 parts, as you can see from the feature tree here, but each part contains multiple meshes. So this model has a total of 22 meshes. Each one can be individually rendered and individually colorized, so that's how I've achieved this effect here. So these are just STL files, but each one has been given a separate color to give it a bit more interest in terms of how it's displayed on the screen. The tires have actually been displayed in a different rendering mode, though. I've chosen normal mode for those. And I can also display the individual parts in a different draw mode. So if I select the chassis and go up to Mesh Info and change that to points, I can now display the chassis in point mode, whereas all the other files are still in their sort of solid view. I can change the draw mode globally as well. So if I use this menu, I can select points and make the entire, all the meshes in point mode. So you sort of get like an X-ray view through the entire assembly, which is quite a nice way to sort of view your data to check for potential interferences or clashes. Again, it's useful if you've got an assembly and you want to check how your solids are working with your mesh data. It avoids you having to model up parts. Sometimes you just want to use the mesh data or the point cloud data as an underlay, so you don't have to model it up, which saves some modeling time. I can use the SOLIDWORKS section view, and you can use section view in, again, any of the draw states. So if I want to make this solid, it can change the view there. You can use multiple sections. You can also use the clip sphere tool as well. So if I wanted to collect like a sphere of data, this all works. So this is how you view your data in assembly mode in Xtract3D.